You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of the capital city of Japan. We'll be looking at how to say more useful Japanese vocabulary, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So in English, it is said as Tokyo, Tokyo. Now, if you want to hear how it is said in Japanese, it is normally pronounced there in Japan as Tokyo, Tokyo. Two rather long O sounds there. Tokyo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.